What's up guys, LRB Martins here, and this is a Surface Laptop Go. Like this Surface laptop, this is the mini version of an existing product. For context, the Surface laptop, which currently sports 13 and 15-inch models, is slightly larger than the Surface Go, which only has a 12.4-inch pixel sense display. Now, just for a bit more of a backstory, the Surface Go was made to compete with things like the iPad Air or the iPad Pro. However, because of its not so great hardware, lackluster app support, and terrible core scores in comparison to the iPad, it didn't do so well. So now it seems Microsoft have learned from their mistake and are shifting focus from the big players to the small players, Chromebooks. Although the bottom line price of this Surface Laptop Go is a bit more than a Chromebook, starting at $549 USD, honestly speaking, I think you get a lot more bang for your buck. Chromebooks, well, the cheaper ones anyway, come with tiny displays, tiny form factors, and have keys that typically aren't spaced enough. This generally results in an uncomfortable user experience that probably won't help boost workflow either. On the contrary, the Surface Laptop Go has a full-size keyboard with 1.3 millimeters of key travel and even a fingerprint scanner embedded in the power button. Unfortunately, there is no iris scanner this year, but the 720p webcam should be adequate for all your Google Meets and Zoom conference calls. Speaking of Zoom, the Surface Laptop Go runs Windows 10, which basically means you can actually download software on it like a real computer. Most sub-$600 Chromebooks don't have that capability. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe. Catch you guys later. God bless.